TxStampin Sharon. I am bringing you a very easy card today. The layout is simple. It could be used for any occasion. I'm using stamps, paper, ink, and a punch. The stamp set I'm using is called Meant to Be. In that set, there are a ton of different sentiments. And so keep an open mind. This doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. After you subscribe, you can hit that little bell and you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Let me show you my card. Today we're going to make a very simple Valentine card that is great for beginners, or if you just want to make a bunch of Valentine cards. I'm using the cling stamp set called Meant to Be, and I'm only using a few images out of this set. I have a piece of Whisper White that is 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I have a piece of Real Red that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then I decided to cut my cardstock this way. It is 4 1/4 by 11. So first we're going to score this. At 5 1/2, because that's half of 11. And since I'm using the Whisper White thick paper, I do want to especially use a bone folder to give it a good crease. I'm using Real Red ink. And this great punch. It's just the everyday label punch. It's perfect for this card. The first thing I want to do is stamp my heart. Bring this over so you can see what I'm doing. I like to hold my stamp there and let as much ink come off as it wants. So it looks like I stamped my heart up a little bit higher, but that's okay. Every card is different. Now, for this, I want to show you a trick. First, I'm just going to stamp on a piece of scrap paper. I'm going to open up my punch. So my trick is, we're going to do a paper saving tip. We're just going to take and punch out in the center of this, because once we adhere it to the card, no one's going to know that we did that. Now, we're going to take our snips and we're just going to cut right down the middle. I could put this back on the paper trimmer if that is easier for you. I'm going to add some snail to both ends. And I'm just going to line this up. This is simple stamping. We love simple stamping. Now this piece got a little wonky. We're going to fix that. I'm going to pop this on with some dimensionals. Next, we're going to open up our card and we're going to stamp our sentiment on the inside. How many of these can we crank out? I sure hope y'all like that easy layout. You can make some quick, simple cards for any occasion using any stamp set you have. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy stamping.